Word's Clear All Formatting command lets you remove text formatting, like font, size, and color, returning text to its default style. In this example, I've downloaded a free memo template. I like the simple layout, but I don't like the way the text has been formatted. I can use the Clear All Formatting command to remove the formatting without having to manually change everything. To do this, select the text with formatting that you want to remove. From the Home tab, click the Clear All Formatting button. Now that the text has returned to Word's default style, I can apply the formatting of my choice. Right now, I'm just going to change the font and size of the heading. Next time you want to remove formatting, easily bring text back to basics with the Clear All Formatting command.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.